In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel YouTube Premium or your free YouTube Premium trial. So once you've loaded up the YouTube app, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. That'll take you to this page. Then the option you need to select is purchases and memberships. You can also tap on your premium benefits, but I'm going to tap on purchases and memberships. And there you'll see all your active memberships. So I have YouTube Premium. All you would need to do to be able to cancel this is tap on Premium. And there it's going to show you your details, when you're being charged next, or your card. And to cancel this, all you need to do is tap on Deactivate and you'll get a pop-up message. Now, instead of deactivating it, you can either pause it for up to 6 months, or you can just continue with the cancellation. So all you would need to do is tap on continue to cancel. They might give you one more screen and ask you, are you sure? Just tap on yes, you're sure, cancel. And then when your billing period is up, you will get your premium canceled. So you will still have the ad-free viewing for this time until your billing period is up. So just keep that in mind, but that would be the process of how you cancel YouTube Premium. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.